Welcome everybody to a very special video out of my new Luthier workshop. Normally I'm not in this situation and I'm quite excited doing this. Talking to the people who are watching my content face to face, you will normally see me repairing stuff on my workbench, mostly guitars and basses. But I have a special thing to share with you. I want to talk a little bit about my background and I want to talk a little bit about what's coming up next in the future, because I have a huge announcement and I thought this is the best way to share it. Normally, if you're watching my content, you see me repairing guitars. I have a bunch of very interested long extended videos on YouTube about any kind of guitar and bass repairs. But from time to time, I have to do a video for my soul. It's not that I don't like the repair videos, I love them, but I'm an educated luthier and I have to build stuff from scratch from time to time. The last film project that I did in this category, I call it my soul film project, was nearly 2 years ago with a very talented young filmmaker called Johnny. Thanks for making this happen, Johnny. And if you want to see this video, you can click this link. It's called My Greatest Project. But this is my past and the future is going to be even greater, because I'm planning a project that will maybe also blow my mind. And I've never seen anybody doing this before. So what I'm talking about, my plan is, let me show you something. I'm going to take one piece of massive wood that was dried over 40, I think 50 years naturally. And then I'm going to build a one-piece guitar out of this. No bolt-on neck, not a glue-in neck, a one-piece instrument out of a one-piece wood block. It's going to be my model drug that I have developed and engineered like 5 or 6 years ago. And to make this thing very interesting, I'm going to build this instrument that I will call building an electric guitar without electricity. So what does it mean? I'm just going to use hand tools, traditional hand tools like this or like this. And I don't even will use electricity for lighting up my working area, because I plan to make this outdoor in beautiful places that I've been before, that I love, that I have a connection to, like to my Luthier school, like the mountains in Slovenia or the sea in Croatia. And I will film all this project. It's like a guitar pilgrim off-road trip for me. I have planned this project for about 5 years. And to make this happen, I need your support. And if you're asking, how can I do that, Nick? I have created a 1.5 hour professional guitar setup course that is available now. And it will be amazing if you support my journey, my road trip, my, I would say, dream, by buying this course. You can learn a lot of stuff. This course will get you in the situation that you can set up your electric guitar by yourself. And if you want to buy my course, there will be a link in the caption below. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you some B-rolls from the last soul video that I did with Johnny called My Greatest Project. As I say, you can find the link for this video in the description below. Or you can also watch the trailer at the end of this video. So I want to say thank you for the support that you have already given me. And it's going to be a great adventure for me. And I try to make it happen. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your life. Make music. And hope to see you soon. And if you ask yourself how I'm going to make this happen, I have to tell you, I have converted it's a small, tiny off-roader, it's a Mitsubishi, to a mobile home like 8 years ago. I can sleep in this car, I have a kitchen in this car, I can live in this car. And this is actually the holidays or the adventures that I enjoy most, being in the nature with my car, with nothing around me. And this car will make it possible that I can record this building an electric guitar without electricity film project. But first of all, I have to fix my car and make it road ready. So this is just the background information.
Thank you.